Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Emily if you're new here. Today I want to do an updated 1-year review of my YSL medium matelasse bag. I did a video on this. It was my first video on YouTube actually, and it seemed like a very popular video. So I wanted to do an updated review on it and show you all how I've liked it over the last year since I have owned it for a little bit over a year now. And give you some pros and cons. And so hopefully that helps you all decide if you want to get it too. But yeah, let's get right in the video and let's get started. Okay, so after a year of owning this beauty, as you can see, it's still in like pretty much perfect new condition. I think I worn this probably at least, given the fact that this was COVID year, I probably wore this at least a dozen times or so or more. So I wore it through different occasions, like casually through the day when I went on a trip to like San Diego and like Santa Barbara. I mean, I wouldn't wear this to the grocery store or anything, but just for like some lunch trips and out for dinner a couple times as well. So this bag literally like goes with almost every outfit, so I never feel like I have a hard time matching it with anything. It like goes with this perfectly. It also, because of the gold, I feel like it really dresses up the outfit a lot more. Even like between this and my Chanel, like this gold is just so bright and so like bold that I feel like it really makes a bigger statement even. But yeah, the structure is still like really like intact, and it's still really like stiff, and the inside I've kept it pretty nice. There's still like maybe a few dust spots in there, but yeah, overall it's still in really great condition after the last year. I also did get this black organizer for it. So this one's a little smaller. I'm gonna get one that probably fits it better, but this works for now. So it's a black felt organizer, and it has tons of like little like compartments in it. But this is just to put like my lipsticks and stuff and small things, just so it doesn't get dirty inside the bag, and I highly recommend you guys getting one as well. So this does have a back pocket, which over the last year I really like haven't used it much because it is so tight against the bag. Like I wouldn't really put my phone in here. Especially with a phone case, it's pretty hard to fit things in here. If I do need to like put my phone in quickly for a second, I just like put it in like vertically in the bag. Just so it stays there. But yeah, I really love that, and like all the little like quilting and the stitching is still intact, so I had no issues with that. I don't know if other people have had issues with that, but for me personally, no like major cosmetic flaws after a whole year. So that's nice. Same thing with the hardware. There's like no tarnishing. It's still like perfect basically. Yeah, so no issues with that. And in terms of versatility, I feel like it's super versatile. I love how you can wear it like on the shoulder like this. It looks so cute with this outfit. And I feel like for some reason, just doubling it up and wearing it on the shoulder, it like makes it a little more dressier. And then, you know, if you're wearing like shorts and like a cute like cropped blouse or something and you put it over the side, that's like kind of cute for like if you want to wear it during the day. I think the crossbody look does make it look more casual. So this is what it looks like as a crossbody. It goes about to like the middle of my butt right here. So that's where it lands for me, and I am 5'7", in case you all want to know how it'll look on you. People always ask that as well. And on the shoulder as well, let's see. So on the shoulder, it goes past my butt and like towards my thigh right here. So pretty great length in all three ways. I love it, especially the double. The double's not too close. There's still like so much space right here. And I know some of them like it lands really close when you double it up, but this one's perfect. The shoulder padding is very comfortable. No issues with that. Like this is a very lightweight bag. I'd say probably like a pound or so, and so I don't feel like it weighs me down or anything. And This stitching on here is still intact as well. Really, I'd say the quality was amazing, and after a year, like basically no damage. And because this is in black, like you can't see anything, like if there's any spots or if like I did spill something on it, which I don't think I did, but it would be really hard to see anyways. And the only complaint, like what I said, is this pocket outside is not super useful because of how tight it is to the bag. But other than that, I like love it. I have worn it with so many outfits. And in case you didn't watch the previous video, this does come with a dust bag that's like this. I got this 1 year ago during the Saks Fifth Avenue sale. So there's a couple of times of the year where they do the tiered spending discounts, which is the best. They do the tiered spending where you get the gift cards also, but honestly, I prefer to get like just a straight discount on the item itself. So that's the best time to buy YSL, I feel like, is through Saks Fifth Avenue. And then during those tiered discounts. And so what by that I mean, they were doing like if you spend $200, you get, I believe it was like $40 or $50 off. And then it keeps going up the more you spend. So if you're trying to get a bag that's over $1,000 to $2,000, that's the absolute best time if your bag qualifies in that sale to get the bag from Saks. So I got this during that sale a year ago. This was originally about $2,200, and after all the discounts, it ended up being $1,600 or $1,650 or so. And then on top of that, I used Rakuten, and Rakuten is my go-to for getting extra discounts that are like hidden basically. You basically go to the Rakuten app and then you click the store you want to shop at. So I clicked Saks Fifth Avenue, and that day they were doing an extra percentage of cash back. I don't remember what that specific one was. Sometimes I've seen it go as high as 15% for Saks, so that's a crazy discount. If you can get like $500 off like what I did and then get another 10 or 15% of cash back, that's insane. I think I only got a few percent that day, but I did not want to risk missing the sale. But yeah, I recommend when you're buying, if you're considering this bag, to try to wait for the Saks sale, and then also use that in combination with the Rakuten cashback. And I had other people comment below on my video previously and told me they saved like $500 through the sale as well and through Rakuten. So I was really happy to hear that. So I hope you guys do end up saving money on it and trying to get more cash back and more of a discount. I know it is a splurge item, but if you can really maximize your savings, you can really make your money go a longer way and just stretch your dollar even more. So I always like to talk about how to save more on luxury bags and how you can get a discount on it. But yeah, I hope this review was helpful for you all. If there's anything else you want me to talk about or I didn't cover today, please let me know, or you can like leave a question below and I'll try to answer it for you. But yeah, thanks again for watching this video, everyone. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up and please press the subscribe button. It really helps me out. And yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.